This Ube Mango Biko recipe is a twist to Filipinos' delicious kakanin. Sweet, chewy, and made extra yummy and colorful with ube, mango, and latik topping. Perfect for holiday parties and sure to be a crowd favorite. Let's get started! First, let's half cook the rice in a pot with boiling water and cook it for 8 minutes. In a separate pan, combine coconut milk, sugar, ube halaya, ube extract, and salt, and stir until well blended. Now, stir in the rice and cook. Just make sure guys that the ube mixture coats the rice completely. Now let's add 1 piece of pandan leaf. And just keep on cooking until the mixture turns really sticky and thick. Meanwhile, let's cut the mango and chop it until bits. Then transfer in a saucepan and add sugar as well. Let it simmer while mixing continuously. Then add the pioca flour and cook until thick and set aside. Just check if the rice is ready, turn off the heat, and then let's proceed to the next step. Let's grease the bottom of a rectangular container with latik oil. Then spread about half an inch of biko at the bottom and top it with mangoes. Just make sure that the rice is evenly coated. Guys, this is the most crucial part. In another pan, place a wax paper and add another ½ inch of biko and flatten it evenly. Then let's proceed to cover the mangoes with another layer of biko. Now cut it in square shape, then serve. This Ube Mango Biko leaves your palate with a heavenly taste. This recipe is sure to please everyone with its sweet and creamy taste. Thanks for watching! Hope you love the recipe for today. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe button. Bye!